Hi, my name is Maeli Nelson, real estate agent and real estate investor.
And I'm Mitch Nelson. I'm a real estate investor and a best-selling author. Together we have over a decade of experience in real estate investing. We've flipped dozens of homes and we've assembled a multi-million-dollar rental portfolio spanning the country.
We started real estate investing so that we could create generational wealth for our families and for our children's families.
We started this channel to showcase our successes and our failures and inspire you to go out and do real estate yourself. We just bought a house with a 4-car garage and a funky layout. We're gonna flip this thing and we're gonna turn it into a masterpiece. And we're gonna take you along for the adventure.
My first real estate transaction was freaking amazing. I started cash flowing $8,000 a month until something happened. And then I started losing $4,200 a month.
So what I want you to do is turn to whomever is sitting next to you and just apologize for all the brain matter that's going to splatter all over the place, because we're going to blow your mind. It's going to be awesome.
I've been a real estate investor for over 5 years, and I have flipped dozens and dozens of homes. What I found is that design is everything.
Real estate investing has been an incredible journey for us, and we're excited to take you along for the ride.